Now, one thing I love about my community members is that once they find out about something, they will want me to make a review about it and how it works. Now, we have gotten so many messages about this particular platform. Is it legit or scam? Is it truly what they said they are going to be giving to its users that they are going to be getting? So in this video, we are going to be making a review together, and we are going to be finding out if the promises on this platform is actually legit. Now, before we proceed in making review about this platform and how it works, if you're coming across this channel for the first time, or you're hearing my voice for the first time, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can always notify you whenever we upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch. So right here, this is a mining platform. I'm going to be taking you all through the process of registration before we go ahead in making a review. Right here, you're going to be clicking the continue button, clicking on continue button till you get to this exact page. Now you can see the main features where it says perform green actions, AI automatic verification and evaluation. So you can see that right here. So you just have to click on get started. Now this profile interface allows you to put in your full name. So what you're going to be doing is to put in your full name, come down right here and put in a password. So I'm going to put in a password right here, and we are going to proceed in making this review. So right here, you are going to re-enter that same password. Now this is to make sure you know the password you are imputing. So after inputting all your details, come down right here and click on register. So a verification code will be sent to you for verification. So a verification code has been sent to my email address. I just need to go over and copy that and put that right here. So right here, this is the verification code. I'm going to copy that right here, and I'm going to go over to this platform, and I'm going to paste that right here, and I'm going to click on confirm. So that is the process of registration. So you can see that the process is actually simple. Now we are going to be making a review of this platform. Now you just have to come right here and input a username. Okay, so once that is done, click on register. So this is the registration process, easy and direct. So you just have to wait, and we are going to be logged into the interface, and I'm going to be showing you how this platform works, and we are also going to be getting a review together. Now if you get an error message like this, just refresh your account. As you can see right now, this is actually a mining platform as it claims. You can see the first screen ECX conversion is coming. Now this is a platform just like you have it on Pi network and other network right here. So you are going to be getting a value of what you're mining according to the platform until when it is listed. Now you can go ahead to click on full details to get the full gist. Now when you come right here, you are going to be seeing the claim green rewards. You are going to be seeing some actions and icons right here. So first of all, what you just want to do right now is to go ahead to do your KYC. Now at the point of making this video, KYC is actually ongoing. So all you just have to do is to do your KYC. But let me let you know what you'll be doing right on this platform. As we're making review together, what is actually required from you is to come right to where you can see claim green rewards. Once you click on that, you are going to be brought right here. You can see right now, you can go ahead to click on claim reward. Every hours you can come right here to claim your reward. You can see you have just claimed that. It will continue accumulating for yourself. Now you can see that these are what you can do to get more green tokens on your account. You can see posts, likes, comment, follow, your greening power. Now these are what is going to be moving your greening power very fast. When you keep on going right here, these are posts, likes, comments. So these are what you're going to be doing on your account. This is called the greening because these are what is going to be accumulating for you. Now when you go over to your home, you can see I said we'll be claiming the green token right here. So that is what you're going to be doing. Now you need to do your KYC for you to get the full value of this particular platform. So right now when you come over to your notification right here, you can see to Ecox, where social network, AI and blockchain come together for greener future. So by the time of making this video, I can see that this particular platform has some potentials of attending to its users. Now to do your KYC on your account, this is where you need to do your KYC. So if you actually want to get the actual interface to do your KYC, maybe you want to refresh, you can come over your hamburger icon right here, then click on dashboard. But it is same this particular interface of your dashboard. Now scroll down to where you are going to be finding the KYC. Okay, just come down to where you are going to be finding the KYC. So click on KYC right here. So right now the network is actually disturbing, so what you just need to do on your leisure time, make sure you go ahead doing your KYC, following the process. Remember, you have to go over to your interface of your profile. Okay, so once you get to this particular dashboard, you can actually see where you are going to be finding the KYC. Then go ahead to do your KYC. As of the time making this video, KYC is actually free and you're not making any payment to do your KYC, so it's advisable you go ahead to do your KYC now. There are no charges on it. Now the other thing I want to know about this platform is that this is a green token you're mining. Now for venture you actually want to withdraw or you want to sell your green token, as it has been confirmed that majority of the users of this platform are selling their green token, what you just need to do, if you have accumulated enough, all you just want to do is to come down to where you can actually find the wallet. So you can see wallet under the hamburger icon right here. Click on wallet right here, then you are going to be brought into this interface. So right here we have no green token to sell. You can see receive, you can see send. Now you want to sell your token, your green token on your account. Peradventure you've accumulated enough Ecox token, come right here and you're going to be seeing the receive, the send, the deposit and the withdraw. Now you want to sell them. This is where you're going to be coming over to send, and once you click on send, you can see please complete your KYC before proceeding with this transaction, meaning you need to go ahead to do your KYC before you can go ahead with any transactions right on this platform. As of the time making this video, my KYC is yet to be confirmed, so I can't do more than what I'm showing you right on this platform. And once my KYC is being confirmed, I can go ahead to leverage more on this platform. Now with the review so far, this particular platform is actually legit, as it has been confirmed that users are making transactions through it, like accumulating more green tokens on their account and selling them and getting value from it. Now my advice for you is to leverage more on the icons you're seeing right here. We have the share, the community, profile, referrals, levels, wallets, leaderboard, quest and ecosystem. Now these particular options are going to be giving you more insights on how this particular platform works. Now when you come over to referral right here, you are going to be finding your affiliate link where you can actually bring more individuals to this platform so they also can benefit from this platform. Now when you go back to your account right here, you are also going to be seeing some icons right here you can benefit from. Remember, we have the leaderboard right here, so the more you leverage more, the more you can actually find yourself on the leaderboard. Remember that this is actually a token earning, so this has not yet been listed. Until when it's been listed, you can keep on accumulating what you have till when the date has been mentioned for its listing date, or you can go ahead to sell them right on this platform and get value from it. So that is how this platform works. You can go over to make your own research to understand more on how it works. Now as of the time making this video, this particular platform has been seen to be more productive to many users online. So what I would advise you to do is to make your own due diligence research and also get to understand how it works before you can leverage on it, as you're not asked to put in any funds as of the time making this video. And so thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you understood and got value from this video, and if you did, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can always notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. It is always advisable you ask your questions on the comment section and I'll be glad to give response to that. Now see you on my next video and keep winning.